Here's how to load your multi-fit screen case. Face your screens outward with the display side resting against the foam doors. Each end of the case has space for a premium mounting stand. The TV brackets slide in at the bottom, one at either end. Your tools and remotes can go in the drawers. The short top poles slide in under the drawer. The longer top poles slide in at the top. The base slides in against the wall with the spigots facing into the center channel. And that's it. Once you've loaded both sides, it's time to put the end lids on. They slot in at the bottom and latch closed at the top. Bring the side doors in, starting with the bottom section, then the top. And repeat on the other side.